Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Garmin Forerunner 55 to Garmin Connect. First, download the Garmin Connect app from your phone's app store. Make sure your Forerunner 55 is fully charged and powered on. Keep your smartphone and watch within a few feet of each other to ensure a strong connection during the setup process. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth pairing experience. Once the app is installed, open it and either create a new account or sign in with your existing Garmin credentials. Navigate to the Garmin Devices section within the Apps menu and select Add Device. Choose the Forerunner 55 from the list of available devices. Your watch will display a unique 6-digit pairing code. Enter this code into the app to complete the connection. This step securely links your watch. After successfully pairing, your Forerunner 55 will automatically begin syncing your activity data to Garmin Connect. To manually initiate a sync, simply open the app and pull down on the main screen. Always ensure that Bluetooth is enabled on both your smartphone and your watch for continuous, seamless data transfer. This keeps all your fitness metrics up to date and accessible within the app. If you encounter any issues during the connection process, try restarting both your smartphone and your Forerunner 55. Double-check that Bluetooth is active on your phone and not connected to other devices. It's also a good idea to ensure both the Garmin Connect app and your watch's software are updated to their latest versions. For persistent problems, Garmin's support website offers comprehensive troubleshooting guides.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.